Fimap introduces FSR8, the sweeping machine designed to overcome the toughest challenges. Suitable for medium and large industrial spaces, it stands out for its ability to tackle even the most demanding tasks quickly and effectively. It is a highly competitive machine for its great productivity, given by its working speed of up to 10 kilometers an hour, its cleaning path of up to 150 centimeters, and its effective dirt collection guaranteed by Force technology. The Force technology keeps the central brush in contact with the floor, even when it is uneven. The result is a deep and uniform cleaning in a single pass. On rough floors and floors with grooves, the super elastic wheels provide constant comfort for the operator by reducing vibrations. The flap lifting device enables the rubber flaps around the suction area to be raised momentarily to facilitate the passage of bulky residues, allowing them to be picked up. Dirt is collected into a large container with automatic emptying at height, which is conveniently operated from the driver's seat. Several options are available to customize performance according to the environment to be cleaned. Among them, the front anti-dust skirt prevents dust from rising, preserving the operator's work and health. The onboard vacuum cleaner with HEPA filter bag allows, in the same cleaning operation, to pick up dirt even where the machine cannot reach. Equipment, options, and design are intended to make everything simple so that every operation is carried out quickly without complications or disruptions. FSR8 provides a range of options to customize and increase safety levels according to the type of environment. When cleaning is carried out inside a warehouse, shelves may cause poor visibility. The blue light projected by the blue safety spotlight warns that the machine is approaching, thus preventing accidents. When maneuvering in reverse, anti-collision sensors warn the operator that the machine is getting close to an obstacle. Hydraulic drum brakes deliver excellent braking performance, even during sudden braking, ensuring maximum safety. On the FSR8, the filtration system can also be customized to meet specific needs. The Tetratex filter, for example, is characterized by its excellent release capacity, whereby dust, once it reaches the surface, falls off immediately, leaving the filter free and preventing clogging. For high filtering efficiency, Safe Air technology can be used instead. It allows a HEPA filter to be added to the basic filter to return cleaner and healthier air to the environment. To reduce the impact of cleaning on the environment, FFM is definitely the most valuable resource. Management with FFM enables you to know everything about the condition of the machine. It is an essential tool to make the asset last long, to ensure consistency in performance, to check the data on the tasks performed, and to verify that the batteries are being used properly, all in order to achieve optimized and efficient use. This overview also includes the monitoring of the amount of CO2 produced per cleaning intervention. With a solid figure to refer to, effective actions can be put in place to reduce or offset for it. FFM is also the key to increasing control over the machine and cleaning operations to improve productivity. This is thanks to specific functions with which you can track the progress of the operation in real time, checking which areas have already been cleaned and those that are missing. Set and send weekly cleaning schedules, so all the operator has to do is press a button to start the preset program and be promptly informed in the event of anomalies, thanks to notifications sent directly to your iOS and Android devices. With FFM, everything goes as planned: time, cost, and results. In addition to the automatic emptying at height of the Pro and Plus versions, FSR8 is offered with a simpler equipment in its basic version. where emptying is manual but facilitated by the division of the debris hopper into 2 containers. When cleaning seems quite a task, FSR8 is the solution that gives you efficiency, productivity, and reliability in any environment and condition.